Exfiltration has defied multiple summons to withdraw from the mechanic.
Atmospheric conditions are suboptimal to mission deployment and evacuation. This is as close as I can get you to the Longinus Gamma facility.
Disgusting thing. Trigon encountered.
Take heed, Meridian. Trigon target acquisition vectors are unknown. Best to keep moving and stay together. Projecting a sense of tactical dominance may deter it from attacking. For now.
Advance! You should see us tunnel these Trigon. Cut through it!
It dares not assault us if we stand and stride as one.
Do not stall here! Move! Close ranks and go! There are tyrannids here! Reloading! Disappointing! Closing the gap! That's it all! Did the enemy run out of weapons? Into the fray! Swapping out magazine. Into the maw of the dead. Stay dead, burning. Come out, Ravens! For the Emperor! Do not stall here! Move! Close ranks and go! Replenish and shut them up! Draw down and turn! Be not scattered mind! Book available. Into the maw of the dead! Some wood. Magazine out! Magazine in! Do not fall to that Trigon abomination! Frag grenade safe! What needs grappling? Cut that sword for brothers! One down. Trillions to go. Smoking out magazine. Throwing frag grenade! Into the fray! Grapnel launcher set! We're giving them a shrapnel bomb! Closing the gap! Watch for the tunnel beast! Available. Waiting! Arming up! Make a stand here! Finished and ready! Do not stall here! Move! Close ranks and go! Into the fray! Arming up! Reloading! Heal your packs, brothers! A better charm than the saint's bones. Into the maw of death! Stay there, buddy! Out! Magazine in! Some way. What needs grappling? Finished and ready. Ordnance on me. Monstrosity on the prowl! No more zeal! The beasts dare not challenge us here!
A lift station lies just ahead, Meridian. Considering the Trigon's presence is incidental to our objective, utilize the lift to reroute closer to Metrian's keep.
We have eyes on the lift platform.
Painless times. I have summoned the transport key at the request of Nicholas Gallagher. Remain patient. Transport key of inbound.
Perplexing. I have transmitted no authorizations.
This location makes us easy prey. Swap positions.
Transport lift status incomprehensible. Begins, ceases. Begins, ceases.
Warpaths never sleep. But rarely is it this little.
Lift has arrived.
Get in, brothers! Hurry! Rain-walking high-beast! Steal your mind! Good to go! Ahead! A massive tyranny!
Metrian welcomes you to Longinus Gamma Bio Research Facility. Please do not disturb the lift. It would be a waste. I have no music to play while you descend. Use the silence to contemplate your futile, brutal existence in service to a desiccated cause.
I want to take a chainsaw to this servo skull.
Meridian, the servo skull is enslaved to an unknown master. I am...
Irritant civil silence. Continue to discuss your fate amongst yourselves. It changes nothing.
This is why I do not trust tech priests.
Any suggestions? suggestion, abandon Gallio's misguided vendetta against the famous biologists. Do you know what Gallio and Mitri led you together in the past? Ask about Project Zeta 6 if you ever speak to him again.
Were I bothered by the servo skills and incessant taunts, I'd shoot it myself.
When you die, I will dutifully record your howls of agony for future intimidation.
Line up behind me demands that servo skull on a mission complete. Quiet. The damnable thing might be logging our words. Rebel launcher set. One down. Trillions to go. Arming up. These walls make for good Trigon repellent.
I do not trust the Xenos to remain idle while we elude it.
Finish and ready. Finish that bastard, or we will have more to do. Into the maw of death. I see it coming. The Xenos stalker hunts us. Lift a hundred from the hell shot. More numbers are more fodder. Hook available. Delta arm and anchor. Smoking out magazine. Fighting. For the Emperor! Reload it.
Select method of execution, capitation, desiccation, demonstration, dismemberment, drowning, dilation. Would you like to get on?
Smoking out magazine. No hope and no brains. That one is screaming for help. Silence them. No one is coming to save you. Scum. Arming up. Xenos scattered mine.
Must turn back.
Grab your launch. Glory pools for him. No one Xenos word incoming. Summoning Xenos. Kill it. Into the maw of death. What needs grappling?
The city is there to
Hold that rapid. Arming up. Shoot the spore mines. If the Trigon desires battle, we will unleash more. No matter its size, it will still die at our hands.
I was worried you had fallen victim to Mitrium's mastery of malphonic disruptive frequencies, but now the uncomfortable sensation associated with relief cools my remaining skin. Be warned, Viridian. Mitrium cannot hope to stand against you alone, so she will lie and store in hope the Xenos swarm will devour you. Case in point, she has enslaved that servo skull as a crude memories, but give her word zero credibility for the mission's sake. And your own.
Already ignoring the servo skull. Swatted the bogus bastard out of the sky.
Gallia knows nothing. Shadow. Take it upon your hands. Behind.
Closing the gap. Stay there, buddy. Is there another we can kick? No? Replenish and ready. Into the morgue!
Behind you. Where your course is shot.
Run down! Trillions to go! For the Emperor! Into the fray! Tether unbound! Reloading!
Your righteous reaping.
No turning back now! Made a mountain of the seas, boss! The behemoth wants a fight!
It summoned legions of Xenos. Strates, the facility is well stocked in mining gear. Requisition melter charges to eradicate the tunnels and halt the infestation.
Authorize those festering holes with molten hatred!
Materials available.
Burn the flesh from the Xenos! One more tyranny cavern lies in smoldering ruins!
Bounce you down
This will
thermite
boil
lands.
their synapses!
Melter charges released. Protective IU also available.
Light their tunnels ablaze with melter charges! For the Emperor! Eradicate the vermin from the tunnels! Burn the flesh from the Xenos!
You are
I bring a melter charge! Time to death! Victory is our foe's utter devastation! Move, brothers! We near the facility! No hope, no ways. Victor! Hear its salad! Remote bomb set. Got the nick. Walk available. Closing the gap. Magazine out, magazine in.
None of this matters. We will be
Do
dead.
not
Inside the facility, you'll find Mitria cowering in her data enclave.
discourses, you could have sent communication. I observe you still pathetically cling to thews of soft tissue. Remember, meat lacks efficiency, whereas metallic alloys stave off corrosion and degradation for far longer.
How far you have fallen, Ignoel, that I must drag you back into the light.
Without ignorality, you'll be dead by now.
Behold the truth of my faults. I am but a humble brain, patched into a mining facility, and nothing more. What reason exists to pull me from recording biomass coalescence data firsthand? I pose no threat to Gallia or the Imperium, even if I should fall.
Disconnect her synaptic tethers from the facility command terminals. Stand firm. I expect her to route Xenos to assault your suite.
Finished and ready. I am within the field. Disruption successful, brothers. That ward of machinery is ours. Restore power and drag the fallen Magos from the precious darkness. Let your power cell, brothers.
Summation of our divine arithmetic from long ago. Remember Project Zeta 6?
As my theorems predicted, your life vector has converged with renegade factors at Zeta 6. It was a waste of computational resources and one perfectly good Grox. Surrender now, and perhaps leniency can be granted. After the might grows, of course.
You are a redundant functionary. Your Astarte shall die here, alone, in the dark.
For the Emperor! I offer that armored Xenos! Book available. It's appointed! My beacon! Generator needs a new power set. Swapping out packs. Calculator! What needs rapid Here is a power cell.
The generator needs the power cell to function.
Arming up. We are the power here.
Futile, impotent waste of gene seed. You trifle with the only hope against the hive mind the Imperium has left.
Not one is screaming for help. Silent, I am within the field. Brothers, I must step back. Get back to the console radius. No hope and no greatness. Let us murder it! Into the more death! For the Emperor! Let that sword from... I love it when burning dig their own graves. Book available. Swapping out magazine. Grab the launch. I am within the field. Magazine up, brothers. I must step back. Rebel launcher set. Connection permanently set.
Return to Metrian's containment unit. See, Metrian, the more you thrash, the deeper you set our hopes.
Arming up. What needs grappling? Disappointing! Replenished and ready.
These tendrils of the Astartes flesh have accomplished nothing, Gabriel. My machinations are already achieving my designs. You are fools, peasants.
Science, Metrian. Meridian, confirm possession of her quivering mass of computational gray matter.
I hold the Tech Priest's Ranger, and I'm resisting the urge to smash it.
Pilot, Meridian is ready for evacuation.
Sending updated extraction coordinates to you now, Viridian.
Venus Stalker hunts us. Stay there, buddy. Sneaky bastard down. Book available. Into the mortal death. Rebel launcher set. What needs grappling? Into the fray! Book available. Disappointing! What needs grappling? Orders from me! Arming up! No turning back now! A little more dust is no bother.
If there is naught but weather left in our path, then so be it.
One down. Three to go. Die the way it did. Under my feet. Swapping out magazines. Leaving bastards coming our way. Into the fray. Reloading. Rebel launcher set. Closing the gap. Book available. Finished and ready. Venus scattered mines. Swapping out magazine. Battle launch. What needs grappling? Arming up. Feather them down. Disappointing. For the Emperor! Magazine out! Magazine in! Grapple launcher set! Nothing stands after a meltdown. Swapping out magazine. Closing the gap. Fork available. Into the fray! Disappointing! Reloading! Into the morgue! Grapple launch! Grapple launcher set! Closing the gap! Some worry. Magazine out! Magazine in! Tether unbound! Grapple launcher set! Into the fray! Tether unbound! One down. Trillions to go. Oh, these dead for the Emperor! Replenished and ready. Arming up. Good to go.
I cannot land with that burrowing abomination lurking about.
Deep scans have penetrated the atmospheric disturbances and Matrium's meddling code. Trigon vulnerability data pushed to your displays.
Hear that, brothers? The Trigon eyes.
Focus on the gaps in the Trigon's exoskeleton.
melting charge on every high hole!
Also available.
Burn the flesh from the Xenos! Die, you vomitous parasites! Eradicate the vermin from the tunnels! Light their tunnels ablaze with melter charges! Book available. Give up the killing, brothers! For we are the bane of Xenos! Eradicate the vermin from the tunnels! Closing the gap! What needs grappling? Stay dead, brother! Swapping out magazines! Stay clear of this track! For the Emperor! Reloading! It wants to get the drop on us! Swapping out magazine! Take what you can carry! Finished and ready! View your packs, brothers! Another tyranny shaft! Another melter charge! Light their tunnels ablaze with melter charges! Ready for Dragon Assault! Got the gear! Melter ball ready!
despite the odds.
I do not think the brain is happy. Good.
Ignoel Metrian and the historical dataset she possesses are for Mechanicus eyes only. But rest assured, she is in trustworthy hands now. You have my gratitude for your efforts, and I shall recommend some honorifics for your service, of course. There is much to pass, much to learn, and much to reminisce about.